Hi, in this video, I would like to discuss about the left function. See the definition part of the left function, then I will give you example of the left function. So left function extract a substring from the string starting from leftmost character. Number of character is optional. So it indicates the number of character that you wish to extract starting from leftmost character. If this parameter is omitted, only one character is returned. So let's see. Here I have given one example of the left function. So in A1 has Rajesh Kumar. Then Kumar will be extracted. So how we can extract the Kumar? So here you need to take left function A1, and if I pick only 4 character from Rajesh Kumar, from leftmost character Rajesh has number of character, but you are taking only 4 characters. So R A J E J 4 character. So your output will be Raje. But if you want to pick the complete Rajesh, then you will have to pass here 6 character. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you need to put down here 6 character. But this is a static value. But I want to make it dynamic. So let's see how we can utilize this function. So here I'm moving on Excel sheet. So just opening. So just opening the one Excel file. So see here. Here I will utilize the basic left function. So left, you need to pass here 2 parameters. So if I'm passing here text as a Manoj Kumar, and I'm not passing number character. Number character is the second parameter, which is optional. If I'm not passing here number character, then you will get only first character as a M from left side. Bracket close, enter. See here you are getting only M. But if I'm passing here optional parameter as a 4 character. So 4 character, your output will be MANO. MANO from left side. But if you want to pick complete Manoj, then you will have to count the number of character in Manoj. Manoj has 5 characters, so you need to remove 4 and put down 5. So now you are getting Manoj. But whenever you will drag this function, you will not get correct complete first name. So in Ramkrishna, you are facing only issue because Ramkrishna has a lot of characters. So you want to pick before blank, you have to pick all the characters. So how we can do it? So let's see the practical approach. As of now, I have given you statical value here, but I want to make it dynamic. So how we can make it dynamic? You should aware about the find function. I have already discussed in previous video about the find and search function. So you have to go through that video, then it will be more easy for you. So first, what you have to do, what is the key point from which character, before which character you want to pick first name. So before blank, I want to pick all the character from left side. So first you need to pick the position of blank. So you need to take here find space. I'm taking here space in inverted comma, then comma, within text you have to take reference of Manoj Kumar, bracket close. Last parameter start number is a optional parameter, so I'm not taking a optional parameter. By default it will pick the position of blank from first character. So bracket close, enter. Now you can see here you are getting 6 as a output. Why I'm getting 6? Because position of blank is 6 here. If I drag in downside, you will get dynamically position of blank. So you can see here you are getting 12th position of blank. But I need to pick only 5 character in Manoj, but not 6 character. Only I need to pick 4 character from Ravi, is not 5 character. Here you need to pick 11 character from Ram Krishna. Why I'm getting here 12? So in this scenario, what you have to do? If I'm not putting -1, if I'm putting here -1, then your problem is solved. So you will get this much character from left side. But if I'm not putting -1, then see the output. What will be your output? Drag in downside, your first name will be perfect, but you will get one extra space. So you need to apply here left function, take text as a Manoj Kumar, comma, bracket close at last. If you are not putting bracket at last, one more bracket at last, no problem. So you have not to put last bracket. Enter. You will get this window. This window means you want to adjust last bracket. You can see here it's automatically adjusting your last bracket. So here I'm putting only one bracket, but it's showing you have to put two brackets. So click on yes. Now you can see here you are getting first name dynamically. So every name you are getting first name dynamically. But what is the issue? Why I'm getting issue here? So see here what is the issue. If I'm copying this data and paste a special value, so see here you are getting one extra space. Okay, so if I'm not putting here -1 in this place, then you are getting extra space. Why I'm getting extra space? The output of find function will be 6. So you are getting 6 character from left side. That's why you are getting extra space. If you want to replace the extra space, then you have to put down trim function. If you are putting here -1, no need to put here trim function. If I'm taking -1, its issue has been resolved. Now you don't have any extra spaces. I'm pasting here. You can see here you don't have any extra spaces in any of the name. But if you don't want to put here -1, you have one scenario. The scenario is you need to take here trim function. Trim function is used to trim your extra spaces. Enter. Now problem has been solved. So this is all about the left function. This is also very good functions to extract data from a specific character or word. Thank you so much.